Your Whirlpool hood has different speeds: low, medium, high, and turbo. Select the one you prefer. Remember that the turbo speed only works for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the hood will work with the speed you chose before. If you didn't select any speed before the turbo option, after 5 minutes, the hood will turn off. If the metallic filters need cleaning, the low speed light will flicker on and off. After you do the cleaning, press the power button until you hear an alarm, then the light will turn off. You can activate an alarm that lets you know when the activated carbon filter needs cleaning. To activate the alarm, press the power button until you hear a beep. Then, press the low speed and the medium speed button for 3 seconds. The two buttons will flicker on and off. This means that the alarm is activated. When the activated carbon filter needs cleaning, the medium speed light will flicker on and off. After you finish cleaning the filter, press the low speed and medium speed button for 3 seconds. Then the light will turn off. To turn on the lamp of the hood, press the button on the right. The hood has a temperature sensor. If it reaches 70 degrees, the hood will turn on automatically at medium speed.